How to turn on the comment box of your YouTube channel. This is pretty simple. Just follow the step-by-step guideline. All you need to do is go to YouTube and go to the YouTube studio. Here you need to go to the turn on comment section. What you need to go to the video section. After getting to the video section from the YouTube studio, all you need to do is select the videos that you want to do and just click on allow all comments, and this will update the videos and allow all the comments of your channel. Otherwise you can select a one video and just enable the comments of that one video. This is also simple. Also, if you don't want to comment on the videos, what you can do is you can use this videos for children's, and this will help you to remove all the comments, potential comments. So this was how you can allow comments on your YouTube video. Commenting on YouTube video makes video reach higher. This is a YouTube algorithm works. So make sure when allowing or disallowing YouTube comments, you have to keep this in mind that this may affect your viewership or maybe audience retention. And I'll see you in the next one.